So, you've got a few minutes to discuss with your partner. So, as far as I know, the main similarity between Mars and Earth is that they can both support human life. Yeah, but do we know that actually true? I mean, Mars is much colder than Earth, isn't it? It says it's here is about minus 55 55 degrees most of the time, whereas on Earth only places like Antarctica get that cold. True. Well then, I suppose you could say both planets are similar distance from the Sun. No way, Mars is much further away. It says here is about 228 million kilometers while Earth is about 150 million. Yes, but in space, that's not that far. Jupiter is like almost 780 million kilometers. That's why we use astronomical units when we talk about distance in space. Earth is an astronomical unit from the Sun, and Mars is 1 3. The difference doesn't sound so big when you look at that way. I see what you mean. Jupiter is 5 2 astronomical units, so I guess you're right. What other similarities are there between two planets? Let's see. Not the color, obviously. Yeah, Earth is called blue planet and Mars is called the red planet for pretty obvious reasons. Their size are pretty different. Mars is about half the size of Earth. What about this? It looks like the days on both planets are almost the same length. Earth day is 24 hours, but Mars about half an hour longer. You're right, okay. Any other thing they both share? I suppose you could say they have water in common. Could you? How? Well, Earth is 70% water and Mars probably had huge ocean in the past. Which is most of the water now is probably frozen. Ah, I see. I don't think we can say the air is the same, though. Most of Earth air is nitrogen and oxygen, but Mars doesn't really have air, not compared with Earth. It's got about 1% as much air as Earth. Right, and it's mostly carbon dioxide. Gravity is another difference. I didn't know this, but Mars has higher gravity than the Moon, but it's much less than on Earth, of course. Oh yeah, it says Mars have about 13.8% of Earth gravity. Okay, let's see what you have found.